Hello, this is a video of example 3 for Geometry Topic 1, Lesson 4. Use a conjecture to make a prediction. Based on the data in the table, how many residents would you expect to vote in the 7th Town Council election? We have 6 years worth of data, I guess 7, and the total number of residents in the town looks like the number of people in the town keep going up, and it looks like the voters keep going up. So because they're both going up, there could be a relationship between the two numbers. They suggest that we divide the number of voters by the number of residents and see if there's a pattern there. You might have said, let's take the residents divided by voters, and both will work. The numbers will come out different, and you'll have to do something with a final answer if you were to do it that way. They divided the voters by how many people are in town. It's going to come out to a percent of how many people vote, right? 386 people voted out of the 3,500 people in the town. 451 voters out of the 4,000. I'm rounding here. Here are the numbers they got: 0.110, 0.110, 0.112, 0.109, 0.111, 0.109. And you could take those all up and average those 6 numbers. It's going to come out to about 11%. Like if you just look at the first 2 digits, 11, 11, 11, they all round to 11. So 11%. So they use that with the 7,786 people that are in town now for the 7th year, multiply it by the 11%, and it comes out to 856.46. Now, since we're talking about voters, we don't want to say that's the answer because we don't want to cut any voters in half. So we should round it. So they're saying there's about 856 people can be expected to vote in the 7th Town Council election. Okay? They found a relationship. So let's do that with this next problem. Much simpler numbers. See if you can find a pattern. Now, it might not be like the Town Council one. Click pause and then push play when you're ready to do it yourself. All right. Now, for this one, how many members do you expect in the 5th year? I'm just noticing it's going up. Let's see if, I'm not going to do the division thing because there might be a pattern, an easier pattern. It might be going up by the same amount every time. From 10 to 13, it's going up by 3. 13 to 17, it's going up by 4. 17 to 22, it's going up by 5. Ah, very good. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add 6 and get 28. So I didn't even have to do I didn't have to look for a second or third level type of thing. 28 or 29. Yeah, because when you're estimating, it could be maybe somebody used a different type of pattern and they got 29. And that might be it. Let's see. Yeah, that's it for example 3. So after doing example 3, you should be able to handle these 4 problems. Numbers 13, 14, 17, and 19. Thanks for watching.